What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. I'm a little bit sick. Got a little bit of a cold here, so Corona. No, I'm just kidding. Just a little bit stuffed up, so just bear with me, guys. We're going to go over Polygon. Currently, we're sitting at $1.29. We're down about 4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.53 billion. 24-hour volume is 707 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. All right, guys, let's get into it. So we broke out of our bull flag here, but we had some rollover. We fell underneath the EMAs, and we came back to that $1.21 level of support. We saw a little bit of a bounce here, but we don't want to stay underneath the EMAs too long on the 4-hour here. We want to get back above them, get back above $1.29 if we're going to see that continuation up to $1.54 for Matic. It's still looking really healthy on the daily. We've broken out of our fallen wedge, and we're currently in between the EMAs. So we do need to see a bounce relatively soon here, because if we do roll over, I will drop in some levels of support. We have a really strong level here at $1.17. See all this support in this area? But your next level of support, if that were to be broken here, is all the way down at $1. So we would want to see a bounce relatively soon to avoid invalidating our falling wedge pattern here. So we'll quickly pop into Ethereum here on the 4-hour chart. So we're still struggling here to get above 3586, which is the 0.786 on the Fibonacci here. We are still holding the EMAs. We may have a little bit of a symmetrical triangle going on here. Your level of resistance, your level of support. You can see we've had 3 touches here. So if you do see us get rejected once again by this resistance and we come down, do look for a bounce from this level of support. And then if we come up to the apex and we break out here, then what you can do is measure the body here, and that would give you a nice little breakout depending on where you break out here, almost up to our previous swing high at 3992. Now if we were to break down here, would bring Ethereum back down close to this level of support, which is the golden ratio at 3036. So do keep an eye on this little symmetrical triangle here. We did have our bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We're creating higher highs, lower high in the RSI. You can see we have come down a little bit here. So if we are able to break out here, do keep an eye on this level of resistance, the previous swing high at 3989. I just quickly want to show you guys Bitcoin. We broke out of our bull flag. Your target's up here at 59631. You'll probably have some resistance here at the 1.272 extension at 57535. I pulled our fib from this swing high down to this swing low. However, guys, if we take our Fibonacci here from our all-time high down to our swing low, it's a really bullish sign here. Just a moment here, guys. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. And I hope that someone gave you a hug today. And if they didn't, make sure you give somebody a hug, all right? We're back above the 0.786, which is extremely bullish, guys. We broke the golden ratio. And when you get back above the golden ratio, it usually gives you a stronger signal. You're going to head up to your all-time high and up to the 1.272 extension, which is up here, guys, at about 80K for Bitcoin. Now, the one thing you have to keep an eye on that I've been covering here with Bitcoin is our bearish divergence. We're creating lower highs on the 4-hour RSI, signifying that the bulls may be losing strength here. And we have had quite a significant pump, and I have been talking about a correction coming within the next week or two, and I definitely still think that's on the table here. The fact that we saw some consolidation for Bitcoin is a good sign to allow the EMAs to catch up to the candles. Of course, the bulls can step up and continue to push up the price, but if we get too overextended, then we'll correct much harder, guys. So would be healthy for us to see a little bit of correction here or some more consolidation and allow the EMAs to catch back up on the daily. But we'll finish off the video with Matic here. So if we're able to bounce off this $1.21, get back above $1.29 and back above the EMAs, do target $1.54, which is the golden ratio here. And we did have our target here from our bull flag. Technically, we fell back into the pattern, but not for very long. So you could consider it a little bit of a back test of support here. So if we do bounce from this level, we still have our target from this bull flag up at $1.63 for Matic. So I'm going to quickly pop into the weekly time frame, and then we'll finish off this video here. So we're looking really healthy on the weekly, guys. You can see we're holding the 20 EMA as support. So as long as we hold this $1.21, $1.17 level of support and we don't break down through the 20 EMA, we're still looking strong for continuation. It's when we break underneath the 20 EMA on the weekly, that's when you can see us come back down to $1. But as of right now are above the 20 EMA, and as long as we hold it as support, we can break through $1.29 once again. We're looking good for continuation, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. If you want to trade Matic with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. You get $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. It is my absolute favorite platform for trading with leverage. If you use limit order with posts only, they pay you. They do not charge you any fees at all, which is an awesome feature. They also have spot trading available. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.